Hey, what's good, my Zillas? So it's finally in. This is the Ruroc Atlas. I've been on a pre-order list for months now, and I've had this thing paid for, and it just came in the mail. I haven't even opened it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing for you guys. So I've been on the pre-order list for quite a while, and the first helmet that caught my eye was the Ronin, which is this helmet with a samurai dragon type design on it. However, I don't really like designs on my helmet, but I kind of regret not getting it because it was only limited edition, but whatever. This is the Atlas core. It does have a carbon fiber shell. So the box is all matte black. Looks very nice and stealthy. Let's go ahead and open it. There's some padding inside so the top doesn't get damaged. Some foam liners for the visor. So this one comes with a clear visor installed onto the helmet and a black one, which is pretty dope. Gonna be an all black helmet. So inside the box we have some stickers. I assume this is a poster. Whoops. It's kind of damaged a bit, but whatever. Oh, so this is pretty much the instructions for the Atlas helmet. Oh, that's pretty sweet. So I was told that this helmet comes with two different padding sizes. The one that comes with the helmet standard is pretty thick. So if you have a chunkier face, you would want to request the optional thinner pads. We're gonna go ahead and just set this here. The box is padded on the bottom as well. I don't think it's the best, but it's not bad. All right, so onto the helmet. As most helmets, it comes with a little carry-on bag. Oh wow, it sure does look good. Woo! It looks as good as the photos and the videos that they've been promoting for the past 2 years. I like that vent. Is that functional? So right off the bat, this helmet is pretty light. This is a carbon fiber shell, some type of Italian carbon fiber. This has 3 locking locations, you know, all the way down, halfway, and all the way up. And I believe that key there, you can adjust this, so you can adjust the tightness of the visor and also to remove it. The mouth vent has an on and off switch. This is what I love. My Icon Airflite did not have this, which I was a little disappointed, but you can't go wrong with a double D-link chin strap. This is magnetic. You just have to get it aligned properly. That is cool. I think it's called a fid lock. So yeah, guys, I think right off the bat, it feels a good quality. The lining is a little scratchier than my Icon Airflite, but it's not horrible. Oh, one of the coolest features about this is the fact that this actually has a built-in speaker. I could be wrong, but I believe all these helmets come with built-in speakers. You just have to purchase the Shockwave module thing that goes inside the helmet here. You pretty much just unfasten these screws, stick in the Shockwave, and you go on your way. This doesn't have double visors, which is fine, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna have the tinted visor anyway. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you the unboxing of this helmet. I will do a full review, and I would also be comparing it to the Icon Airflite, because I believe they're probably in the same range. Two cool looking helmets. I have a lot of miles already with this helmet, and I have a few things to say about it. I'm gonna go ahead and test the Atlas for quite a while, and I will let you know. So if you guys want to see the comparison video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace, Zillas.